Hi there, I'm Kyle, and today we'll be talking through the search page here on Joiin. This page will work as a list of our transactions, which can then be filtered out or searched in. This can be used for many different reasons. Some of those include reconciliation, finding specific transactions within your group, and also different auditing purposes. For now, we're going to be looking for a specific bill in one of our companies. To start, we can use our filters box, and we'll go ahead to our companies box here and specify our GBP company. Once done, we can set our date range using this box, or the due date range if that's preferred. As we know this bill occurred within November, we'll select all of November. Next box over, we'll be able to select our transaction type. In our use case, we're looking for a bill, so we can disable all of these other options. The next one over will be our status box. This will let us decide whether we're viewing fully paid, outstanding, or partially paid transactions. However, we don't know in this case. And finally, I'll use my contacts box to select the specific contact that I'm searching for. In our case, we're looking towards the smart agency. Perfect. Now we can see that this bill here is still being shown as outstanding, so a payment will need to be made. If we already had our reference, we'd be able to select that one, clear the filters, and search for it by text instead. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions or you'd like further assistance, please reach out via support@joiin.co.